Good afternoon, your captain for today. Today we shall be looking at mathematical calculation that produces draws. There are numbers that produces draws when it comes to football prediction. So today I'll be taking us through some tips on numbers, matches, knowing the average goal scores, average goal considered, that will let you understand that this game is going to be a draw. Now that the weekend has approached, you are able to get 2, 3 or 4 draws. At least you're able to feed your family and take care of yourself. So I will just teach you the simple approach that will make you understand that when you see numbers like that, what will make you know the factors behind it that will make you know that this match is going to produce a draw. It's not a magic, it's real. This mathematics, and these are numbers. Numbers, they can do it for us. They have done it before, and we're going to use it, and they'll produce it for us. Today, still on the mathematical prediction, let's look at the same fundamentals of numbers. We need to be used to this number. When you are not used to this number, you will not understand it properly. So we'll go back to the fundamentals. Of numbers, fundamentals of numbers. Now, I will make us understand certain numbers, because during the week there were a lot of questions about people trying to know the numbers. How this number like this, how this number like this. Today I will take us through first number level and how I break them down. But meanwhile, there are other numbers that are called minor numbers. Minor numbers. So those numbers that are minor numbers start with 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. All these are minor numbers. They are minor numbers. All the terms I'm using in this prediction, all the terms I'm using are generated by me. So just follow me and follow my terms. Follow me and follow my terms, so that you understand what I mean when I call a number a minor number. Then we have first number level, which is 06, 07, 08, 09, 1. This is first number level. Then in the first number level, this is first half of first number level. We have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is also a first number level. Just that I break them into two. I will tell you the reason why I break them into two. Then the second number level, we have the 16, the 17, the 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. These two is also second number level. Second number level. Why is it also second number level? Remember, in our last teachings, I explained that first number level start from 06 to 15, while the second number level start from 16 to 25. But in this study, for the sake of draw, because we are trying to look at numbers that can produce draws. Numbers that can produce draw, and the factors that determine that this number is going to produce a draw. You understand? A lot of people say, bros, give us a prediction for draw now. What's happening now? Give us some draw. But I'm going to tell you how you can know that a particular match is going to end up in a draw, and that is what it's going to end up. This number is very powerful. The number can determine the way the players are going to play the matches. I told you before that how do we get those numbers? That is the question a lot of people have been asking. How do you arrive at these numbers? How do you arrive at these numbers that you use to do your calculation? I told you before that in algorithm, just like knowing Poisson distribution, I don't want to be going to be say a lambda b, a factorial b, and all those things when it comes to permutation and combination. But some sites have done it already, they have calculated it already for us, making us understand that a particular team A average goal score for team A, then we have average goal conceded. Then team B, we have average goal score and average goal conceded. So what we make use of is the numbers, the average goal score for team A, average goal score for considered for team A, then average goal score for team B, average goal considered by team B. So in this topic, we are going to look at vertical serial zero numbers with one side horizontal serial number. For instance, when you have a serial number like 0808, you have 1 and 04. Remember I told you that this 04 is a minor number, and 0808 in the attack, these numbers, this 0808, they are serial number. What does it mean? It means that the team A and team B they are having equal strength. Team A and team B, they are having equal strength. And now they are meeting a team that is aggressively defensive. They are meeting a team that is aggressively defensive. When you have one vertical to a minor number, that goalpost is shut down. That goalpost is shut down. You understand me? When you have one vertical to a minor number, that goalpost is shut down, especially if the attack is serial. Now we are focusing on 0 digits. We are focusing on 0 digits. 0 digits. Why do I call it 0 digit? I told you before that in some statistics, you will see they will write average goal score, they will write 1.2. Average goals considered, they will now put 0.8. Average goal score, they will write 0.8. Then they will write average goals considered, now 0.7. In this case, what we see here is that they are having points and points here, points and points. But when I want to present my own, I don't put all these points. I will just go straight with the number saying 12 and 08. So don't look at it so strange. I will just remove the points and make it like a number which is 08 and 07. So in this case, to determine that this game is going to play a draw, this game is going to play a perfect draw. There's no negotiation. You understand? There's no negotiation. So also, if you have another one like this, I'm giving you an example, and the correct score here is 0-0. I've told us before that when you have a serial number, 0 digits on the attack, and one of the number has a minor number with a single one, definitely this goalpost is shut down. Both of them are going to play aggressive defensive match and we end with a goalless game. Now also, if you have something like this, 11, 02, 06, 05. If you look at this one, 1106. This is a serial number. Functional, call it functional serial. How is it a functional serial number? Now, if you come to the board, if you look at all the numbers here, all the numbers here on this block, I told that this one is a first level number, this one is also a first level number. You understand? This is a second level number, this is a second level number. These two first level number, they are functional serial number. Take note of that. Functional serial number. Functional serial number. So also is this one and this one. This one and this one. This one and this one. And this and this. They are functional serial numbers. So I will be taking it step by step the way we will understand it. I'll be taking it step by step. So since 11 and 06 are functional serial number, now if you look at this place, they are having both minor number. How will they score? They will not score. They will not score. And remember that 05 is a functional serial number, binary number to single one. So this game is shut down. It's an aggressive defensive football. They will not score you and they will not want you to score them. So this game will end with a draw of 0-0, correct score. It ends with a draw 0-0, correct score. So when you have a minor number, this is a two minor number, I have a minor number and a functional first level number, it will end with a 0-0 score. Hope you understand me. Now we shall look at other example. Hope you can see the board. It's clear. Alright, we will look at other example. Let me clean from here so that we'll be making use of our fundamental numbers. Now we shall be looking at 000 draws. There's what I call 000 draws. 000 draws. Why do I call it 000 draws? I call it 000 draws because there is going to be a 3 0-digit number on the statistics. When I talk about the statistics, I talk about the average goal score, average goal conceded, average goal score, average goal score of the two teams. In that two teams, 3 of the stats is going to be a 0-digit draw. 0-digit draw and 0-digit number are numbers. 0-digit number are numbers that has 0 before the number, just like 06, 07, 08, 09. 06, 07, 08, 09. Those are the numbers I call 0-digit numbers. So for instance, when we look at 0-digit number, what we must take note is that when you have 3 0-digit number, and the attack is serious digit. For instance, see when, look at this definition. When 2 0-digit number are vertically serial at the attack. Are vertically serial at the attack. If one of the number, either the home team or away team is horizontal serial. Is horizontal serial to the defense. Now there is a fourth number remaining. Now we have two numbers for instance. We have 0707 0707. Now if any of them is horizontal serial 08, this one now must have a serial number like 1 to produce a drop, which is to produce a drop either 1